You are most welcome in one and another episode of special one word substitution, that is also called SOWS. Leather straps put around a horse head to control it. This is called bridle, BRIDLE, bridle. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है लगाम. Member of a band of robbers. Member of a band of robbers. They are called brigand, 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 brigand. This is also a noun. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है डाकू. Hard but easily broken, liable to break easily. This is called brittle, 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 भंगूर. The young of an animal cared for at one time a family of young birds. This is called brood, BROOD, brood. ये भी एक नाउन है, किसी जीव का बच्चा. A woman with dark brown hair, a woman with dark brown hair. This is called brunette, 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 गहरे भूरे बालों वाली स्त्री. An itemized summary of estimated expenses for the given period along with proposals for financing them. This is called budgeting, 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 budgeting. This is a noun and हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है बजट. Gold and silver before using for manufacturing ornaments. Gold and silver before using for manufacturing ornaments. This is called bullion, 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 bullion. This is a noun. सोने चांदी की ईंट. A collection of sticks, a collection of sticks. इसको कहा जाता है बंडल, BUNDLE, बंडल. दिस इज ऑल्सो ए नाउन. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है गट्ठा. कैरी आउट ए टास्क क्लमजीली और इनकम्पिटेंटली. Carry out a task clumsily or incompetently. This is called bungle, BUNGLE, bungle. This is a verb transitive और हिंदी में अर्थ होता है गड़बड़ करना. A government run by officials in a state. A government run by officials in a state. This is called bureaucracy, bureaucracy, BUREAUCRASY, bureaucracy. हिंदी इसका ये नाउन है. हिंदी में अर्थ होता है इसका नौकरशाही. ए पर्सन हु इंटर्स ए बिल्डिंग इलीगली इन ऑर्डर टू स्टील. ए पर्सन हु इंटर्स ए बिल्डिंग illegally in order to steal, he is called a burglar, BURGLAR, burglar. This is a noun और हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है सेंधमार. Hole excavated by an animal as dwelling. Hole excavated by an animal as dwelling. This is called burrow, BURROW, burrow. This is a noun और हिंदी में इसको कहा जाता है bill. The sound made by bees. The sound made by bees. This is called buzz, BUZZ, buzz. ये भी एक verb है और इसको हिंदी में कहा जाता है भन भनाहट. Place where cows are sheltered. Place where cows are sheltered. This is called byre, BYRE, byre. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे गौशाला कहा जाता है. Harsh or discordant sound. Hard or discordant sound. Loud, confusing, disagreeable sounds. An incongruous or chaotic mixture. This is called cacophony, CACOPHONY, cacophony. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे कोलाहल कहा जाता है. Someone skilled in penmanship. Someone skilled in penmanship. Calligraphy, beautiful writing done with a special pen, brush. He is called a calligrapher, CALLIGRAPHER, calligrapher. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे सुलेखक कहा जाता है. Beautiful handwriting that you do with a special pen, brush. This is called calligraphy, CALLIGRAPHY, calligraphy. This is also a noun. इसको हिंदी में कहा जाता है सुलेख. A man devoid of kind feeling and sympathy. A man devoid of kind feeling and sympathy. This is that very man is called callous, CALLOUS, callous. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है कठोर हृदय. That which makes it difficult to recognize the presence or real nature of something. That which makes it difficult to recognize the presence or real nature of something, that is called camouflage. camouflage, camouflage, this is a noun. इसको हिंदी में कहा जाता है छलावरण. A person who eats human flesh, a person who eats human flesh, he is called a cannibal. cannibal, cannibal नाउन है ये, और हिंदी में उसे कहा जाता है नरभक्षक. लव ऑफ डॉग्स, कैनोफीलिया, CANOPHILIA, कैनोफीलिया ये एक नाउन है, इसे कुत्ते से प्यार कहा जाता है. हाउस और शेल्टर ऑफ ए जिप्सी, ए ग्रुप ऑफ पीपुल ट्रेवलिंग टुगेदर स्पेशली इन अ डेजर्ट, दे आर कॉल्ड कैरावन. CARAVAN, कैरावन ये एक नाउन है, इसको हिंदी में काफिला कहा जाता है. द डेड बॉडी ऑफ एन एनिमल, दिस इज कॉल्ड कारकैस, CARCASS, कारकैस, दिस इज नाउन, और हिंदी में इसे पशु सब कहा जाता है. Something which is considered to be very important, this is called cardinal, 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 this is a noun, और हिंदी में इसे प्रमुख कहा जाता है. This is all about today's special one word substitution. Thanks, regards.